marine adventure. Let's start it with Mr. E. Talk to him, ask him some questions. Here are the sample questions you might ask.
Yo, what's up, dude? My name is Mr. T and welcome to the Crumbs We Cook. Hi there!
Hello!
Hi, my name is Mr. T and T stands for Titan Talking Fish.
Yes.
So now you can ask me some of the questions posted on the board in front of you.
Where do you live?
It's a good question. I'll leave you from the place where you stand right now, here at the Marine Adventure. This is my home sweet home.
What do you usually eat?
Well, I eat a lot. In fact, I like to eat crab, shrimp, lobster, seafood spaghetti, seafood pasta, and Krabby Patty.
Wow, that's delicious.
Yeah, absolutely.
What can we do to help save the place we live in?
Well, simply, please don't throw your trash in the ocean and learn the proper waste management like that we are, which means reduce, reuse, and recycle.
Oh, big word.
That's right.